the office of the Always Believe House. We're going to have a blast today. Today we are going to finish up our series on how to solve linear systems. And this one right here, we're going to write a pair of linear systems. So in the TEKS, you need to be able to generate a linear system from a graph, a table, and a verbal description. We've already been doing that on the star review with the problem about Jiminy John and Bubba Bob having jobs where you get y equals gx plus s for both of them. That's a linear system. And you've already been doing that even though you didn't do it. Today we're going to look at graphs and write two systems out for graphs. This will be a piece of cake. All we got to do is get the slope and the y-intercepts, and we're going to get two y equal mx plus b equations. So let's get rocking and rolling. This is just going to be like eating a mega stuffed Oreo. So a magical whiteboard appears, and we're going to start solving these. All you've got to do is get two dots on each line and get the intercepts and write down the slope of the y-intercept. For instance, on number 1, this line crosses the y-intercept at -4. So this is going to be b equal -4. Now I got to get my slope. Go down, and I'm going to zoom in. Go down this line until you cross a grid point. It crosses right here, doesn't it? So how do I get from my left dot to my right dot? I have to go down and over, don't I? I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's -5 because I'm going down, and I'm going over 2, aren't I? So my m is going to be -5 over 2, right? Now then I'm going to go to the, well, let's write down the equation. That equation, put the equation below, will be y equals -5 over 2x plus 4, right? Jiminy crickets. Okay, so my first equation is y equal -5 over 2x plus 4. This is going to be easy. So now let's get the next equation. The next equation crosses the y-intercept at -2, which will be my b, won't it? To get from one point, to get from the left dot to the right dot, I'm going to go up and over, right? I'm going to go up 1 and over 2, right? This slope won't be negative, it will be positive because my dots are going up. So this line will be y equal, my slope's 1/2 x, and my y-intercept's -2. That's all you have to do. Piece of cake. Remember, if you have a flat line, it's y equal. If you have a vertical line, it's x equal. Ho, 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 ho. Now then, let's write down the answer. The answer's right here. The solution to the system would be 2, -1, wouldn't it? So I want you to write down the equation and write down the point where the lines cross. That would be the answer, wouldn't it? I'm not going to do a lot of these for you. We'll do 2 more. Let's do number 7. Okay? On number 7, I usually do the top line and the bottom line. Okay? So we're going to do the top line. So this top line crosses at 3. So write down b equals 3. Now then, let's go to the right and get the next dot. So I'm going to go to the right, and the next dot's right here in it. What am I doing to get from the left dot to the right dot? I'm going up and over, aren't I? I'm going up 1 over 3, so my m is going to be 1 over 3 in it. Now then, write down your equation. Y equals 1 over 3x plus 3. That's what that equation's equal to, right? Let's do the next one. Okay, on the next one, it crosses here. So my b is going to equal to -3, which is the starting number of the y-intercept. And let's trace up, because if I go down, I don't get another point. I need one more point, don't I? So I'm going to go up, and the next order pair is going to be right over here in it. So that's the next grid point. It goes perfectly through in it. Now then, to go from left to right, I won't go up, I'll go down one. So I'm going to go down a whole bunch and over a whole bunch, right? I'm going to go down, count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a -5, and I go over 3. So that line will be y equals -5 over 3x minus 3. So all you got to do is get the y-intercept in one more point, then go up or get your slope. Piece of cake in it. Now then, circle the ordered pair. That ordered pair is at -3, 2. So the answer to the solution is -3, 2. I'm going to do one more for you. Turn the page. Let's do this one right here, number 13. Oh, lucky 13. So let's get the top y-intercept and the bottom y-intercept. Okay, so my top y-intercept is going to be right here. My b will equal -1. And then my next dot going down is going to be here. So I'm going to go down and over. I'm going to go down 2 over 1, aren't I? So my m is going to be negative 2 over 1 or negative 2. Write that equation out. Y equals negative 2x minus 1. Piece of cake, isn't it? Now then go to this one. Dot your y-intercept. So my b equals negative 3. And then my slope is going to be 1, isn't it? Up 1 over 1, right? So that equation will be y equal, I don't have to put the 1, do I? X minus 3. The ordered pair would be 1 comma negative 3. So write down both equations, write down the ordered pair with a cross, piece of cake. So what you're doing today is you're going to be given a graph and you're going to write down the mx plus b's of each equation. Ho, 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 ho. Piece of cake. Remember, you are amazing. You are created to do wonderful things. Enjoy your 17 seconds is in. Always believe in yourself. Never stop believing in yourself. And you are awesome.